Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat siang. Sehubungan Pak Iwan Ridwan belum bisa bergabung pada Zoom kali ini dan tidak bisa dihubungi lewat WhatsApp. Jadi kami kelas C berinisiatif untuk merecord Zoom pada kesempatan kali ini tentang tugas experience. Oke, langsung saja. Kita mulai yang pertama, Farhan.
Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Ibnu Prabowo. Today, I want to tell you about my past experience. A few months ago, I went to Curug Lewi Hejo with my 5 high school friends. We went there by motorbike. It took 2 hours for us to get there. It was tiring, but we were so excited. We arrived at 11 a.m. We then booked the tickets. It's cost 35,000 rupiah each. We went inside and found the place where we called swim. We swam together and it was fun. We really loved the cold water. We really enjoyed the moment. After swimming, we also took some pictures together. We took some picture because the scenery was lovely and it was a memorable experience for us. After taking the picture, we found some chair and we decided to sit there. Then we ate our lunch. We have prepared the box lunch from home. After eating our lunch, the sky turned gray. We decided to clean ourselves in the bathroom and prepare to go back home. It was a fun experience that I'll always keep in mind. Message: don't drive with an old automatic motorbike if you travel to the highland. Believe me, it will only trouble you because my old automatic motorbike is not able to go uphill. Thank you.
Terima kasih, Farhan. Hikmati Rabani.
Holidays during pandemic. Hi, introduce my name Muhammad Hikmati Rabani. I live in the Cirebon area. Nice to meet you. This time I want to share a little story. Story about my vacation during this COVID pandemic. Now during COVID, I spent most of my activities at home and the rest for studying. During the pandemic continues, I always try to follow health protocols starting from wearing masks. In my daily holidays, I spend learning from friends, even though I cannot meet face to face, but I'm still grateful because I can still be met, even though is only virtual. In my area, there are always many who are infected with COVID-19, and it made me and others feel anxious. But I and others can only follow the government directives and efforts to comply with health regulation, and I am grateful that for several months of isolation, no one in my family has shown signs of being infected. And in my vacation, this time spent the most time is with the family, which at first was rare now often. I think that's my story. Thank you.
Ya, terima kasih Muhammad Hikmati Rabani. Selanjutnya saya Raffi Fauzi. Hello everyone, my name is Raffi Fauzi. I want to tell you my experience. High school in July 2018, I entered high school for the first time. I attend high school at SMAN 1 Tlagasari. It was my first day at school. I left home at 6:15 a.m. The distance from home to school is 5 kilometers and can be reached in 10 minutes. I spend my 10th grade like a normal student, participate in learning activities well, take part in extracurricular sport, hang out with friends and others. Until finally, when I was in grade 11, in March 2020, there was no news about a 2-week school holiday. Yes, even though I ended up studying at home until I graduate. Even now I go to college. I spent my final year of high school studying at home and doing the assignment given by the teacher. Even though studying at home was very boring. However, this is all for the good of our health. Thank you. Oke, selanjutnya Teguh Kurniawan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Teguh Kurniawan. This time I will tell about my experience. One of the experience that I think is valuable and can change my gesture and attitude is when I started to join a self-defense organization. Because I initially has chill nature and was I little afraid to try new thing. Because I took part in chess activity, I became more confident and began to get along easily. Because when I joined the martial arts, I was required to be brave and also able to appear in front. That gradually changes my attitude for the better. That's my experience, which in my opinion is quite a valuable experience and can change my attitude for the better. Thank you.
Terima kasih Teguh Kurniawan. Selanjutnya Randy Pramudia. Mohon maaf, gak ada suaranya.
Kang Randy suaranya.
Masih belum ada. Udah lewat dulu ya, nanti Randy abisian. Udah ada belum? Masih belum ada suaranya, Kang. Belum ada. Masih belum
aja Kang. Dilanjut aja dulu Kang, Raffi.
aja ya. Sihan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yano Farahmat. Let me tell about my experience. Lost my phone. 1 year ago, I was in the train station to pick my sister up for this arrival from Jogja. There, I was so busy with my phone all the time. I was waiting my sister while sitting in waiting room. Then, I a box of drink because the weather was little bit hot. After that, I laid the phone on the bench while drinking. Not long after that, I saw my brother out of the train. The, I ran to him and they were about to go. Suddenly, I remember that I forgot to take my phone right on the bench in the waiting room. We went back to the waiting room to take my phone. Over to Trinity, we found nothing there. My phone was lost. We so decided we to go home directly. I was so unlucky that day. Since that day, I have promised to be more careful person in the future. That's the story of my experience. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Sian. Selanjutnya Muhammad Erik.
Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Erik. I will tell a little of my experience to Jogja with motorbike. My friend and I went to holiday in Yogyakarta. It was my second trip in the city. When I have senior high school, I went to Yogyakarta with my friend. This trip to Jogja, I use a motorbike. The journey start from my house to Jogja. It takes 13 hours. We arrived at Yogyakarta at 11 a.m. and we stay in hotel which is 10 minutes away by motorbike to Malioboro Street. We stay from 3 days. First night in Jogja, we went to Malioboro Street. We interested to go because Malioboro Street is very famous. We saw many merchandise with to be a traditional product of Yogyakarta. All, all of us buy some the merchandise and we enjoy the night in Angkringan. On the second day, we went to Sadranan Beach, one of the famous beach in Jogja. After from the beach, we went to paragliding to enjoy the sunset. We took some picture or photo. We try to eat traditional food around paragliding. The 3 day before going home, we went around Jogja and buy some souvenir. After 3 days, we went to home. I'm happy with my holiday this time. I hope we will go to Yogyakarta again someday. The lesson I took from the trip to Jogja, I was that I had to improve my travel management and I had to be physical ready. Thank you.
Terima kasih Muhammad Erik. Selanjutnya Galih Alif Hartanto.
Hello everyone, my name is Galia Fardanto. Let me for the implementation 2020 my village. It had been there that he met them. Or my parents prepared to go home. But as before, because of because even though participate in that when so I was alone
Dilanjut aja ya. Galih kayaknya ada kendala sinyal. Dilanjut pada Sunanto.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sunanto. I will tell you my experience. When I was in elementary school, I went to the city with my father to check the construction progress of our new house. The location is too far away from your house in the village. We went there by motorcycle. It was just the two of us. So my father sat on the front and I sat on the back. We left the village at 10 a.m. in the morning after having a breakfast with your family. It is my habit to be sleepy when I am full. Within the first 10 minutes of our trip, I already yawned so many times. My father slapped my hand and reminded me to not fall asleep on the road. I tried to do as he said, but I just could not bear it anymore. So I hugged my dad and I slept. A couple minutes later, I woke up because I felt like my right leg was being dragged down and it hurt. I screamed and my father stopped the motorcycle instantly. It turned out that my foot was stuck in the motorcycle rim. Blood was everywhere. My father tried to pull my leg slowly out of the rim. After 2 minutes of effort, we finally made it to pull my leg out. My father took me to the nearest doctor right away. Thank you.
Ya, terima kasih Kang Sunanto. Selanjutnya pada Purkon. Halo Purkon.
Iya, halo. Sudah masuk suaranya? Sudah terdengar?
Sudah.
Ya, I am Purkon. Preparation for SBMPTN 2021. Maaf, Rapli, bisa di ini dulu, yang lain dulu. Setelah ini ada kesalahan teknis. Sedikit.
Sebentar. Oke. Saudara selanjutnya Fawaz Mulia Rabani.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I want to tell you about my experience, the field work practice. My September 30, 2019 was the first day I entered the field work practice at the Koyorat Jaya Indonesia company. I'm not alone, I accompanied by two of my friends. The three of us gathered in a room. Our HRD he came to give some direction and we divided us into several sections. There we were guided and introduced to the industrial world, like what we were there to get a new experience. That's what I felt. We were also taught how to use tools and some production machines. Day after day passed, I got a lot of experience and learning. One of them is that I can get to know what the industrial world is like and what things are allowed and not allowed when working in an industrial company. It doesn't feel like 3 months have passed. To be exact, December 29, 2019 was the last day we carried out the field work practice. Sad indeed, but how else these days will surely come. Before we parted, we took pictures with some of the employees there. Many things that might be difficult to forget include job, eating, and logging, as well as exchanging information about work. This is my story about my experience of field work practice. I hope my story can be useful. Thank you.
Terima kasih kepada Pak Mulia Rabani. Selanjutnya Rizwaldi Muhammad.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizwali Muhammad Iman. I want to tell you about my story experience. Last year, I and my family went to Pangandaran Beach for a vacation. We left at 7 o'clock in the morning. The trip took about 4 hours and we arrived at around 11 a.m. As we arrived there, I walked down to the beach. It was a nice sunny day with a blue sky and gentle breeze. I saw some seagulls fly around hunting for fish. The waves there were suitable for swimming, but I didn't swim because I could swim and only play with the water on shallow part. We also did miss your opportunity here, taking some picture with the background of Scan Pangandaran Beach. Before we went home, I looked for some beautiful souvenir and the nearby shop there. Eventually, we went home at about 5 p.m. It was a memorable experience for me with my family. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih pada Rizwaldi Muhammad Iman. Selanjutnya, Raihan Akmalano.
Hello, my name is Raihan Akmalano. I want to tell you about my experience. When I was in junior high school, I took taekwondo extracurricular. I have participated in several tournaments, even though my level is still on the yellow strip belt. From this extracurricular, I learned to be disciplined, active, and not giving up. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih pada Raihan Akmalano. Selanjutnya, Nadira Eka Putri.
Hello everyone, my name is Nadira Eka Putri. I will tell you my experience. I spent my last holiday with my family in Lombok. It may not be as popular as Bali, but it offers visitors so much to see and experience. During our 4-day trip, all members of my family had a great time. Our exciting adventure began after we landed at Lombok International Airport Zainuddin Abdul Majid. The next day, my family and I went to Kuta Lombok Beach. The sand there's like pepper. After that, I stayed at hotel my parents' friends dispersed in Lombok. On the third day, my family went to Gili Trawangan with a medium-sized ship. For me, Gili Trawangan is a very beautiful island of Lombok. So many tourists there and seeing the sunset there is so amazing. On the fourth day in Lombok, my family went to the Pink Beach and Sadek Village. Pink Beach has pink sand, and Sadek Village have the uniqueness of the village and inhabitants. Sadek is located in central Lombok of Permitan. In Lombok, I have a lot of tasting food typical of Lombok. And finally, my trip is over. It is too bad that we did not have a chance to explore the northern part of the island. Lombok is certainly everyone good. Thank you.
Terima kasih Nadira. Selanjutnya, Guntur Arianto Pamungkas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Guntur Arianto Pamungkas. Ultimate, and this time I want to tell about my holiday experience at the beach before this pandemic came. One morning, me and 5 friends were getting together to do an assessment in the middle of working on the tech for some reason. I immediately gave an opinion for a vocation. Some here and 5 of Kun's friends responded and suggested in various Facebook. There is one tourist area that we are interested in, and according to the condition, namely to beach, and my friends and including me agreed to go there tomorrow. And with great and questions we completed all the text gift, so that the next day we can refresh there without having to think about anything else. Not long after we'll finish doing our assessment, and we went back to planning waiting to bring there for the holiday. Not long after finish planning and we'll went home everyone. Tomorrow we will all get together again, ready to go to beach, and after eating was ready went to the beach using motorbikes. On the way we enjoy it, and when we got there, when we suffered with a beautiful blue sea wave accompanied by a comfortable sea breeze. I didn't take long for us all to splash there and associating and taking poses there. We all had fun swimming. It's because we were tired. We went ashore to rest together, to restore our energy under a shady tree. We had fun again. Fame was decided to get back home and plan to return the back someday. And it was one the most enjoyable holiday I ever had before and the pandemic. I think this enough and thank you.
Terima kasih Guntur Arianto Pamungkas. Selanjutnya Gia Patriana.
Hello, my name is Zia Patriana. Today I will tell my experience about vacation before pandemic COVID-19. And of 2019, my sister and I went to Bandung. We flew from Minangkabau International Airport and Eric Soekarno-Hatta International Airport at 10 a.m. We went to a hotel in Bandung to take a rest. In the night, we visited downtown and culinary. Next day, we went to breakfast and went to the market to buy souvenir. At night, we went to Ciwok Mall and went around looking for food. Next day, nggak kedengaran.
Kedengaran, Gia. Lanjut aja.
Terdengar.
Next day, I met my brother. After that, we visited floating market and walked around while took tours. We enjoyed view. It was really beautiful. The lesson is quality time with family is important because it can increase intimacy. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Gia Patriana. Selanjutnya Jaguar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this moment I will tell about my experience, my holiday. Okay, holiday family was coming. However, for this holiday I didn't go to any workplace because pandemic COVID-19. The government ordered the public don't opt from home to minimize the virus COVID-19. So I spent my holiday in home. At first, I don't know what will I do to spend this holiday. Actually, I'm happy because this holiday I can wake up late, and usually I must wake up early because I have online class. Aside from that, I can free play game and phone every time. But in the moment, my mom always angry to me because I'm lazy and don't read anything for every day. And just spare time to sleep, eat, play phone, like that I spend my holiday. But I'm trying to productive in my holiday, and then I decide to work out. After workout, I clean my room and spare 30 minutes for study, and I do it every day to prove my parents I change my habit from lazy to productive. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam Jaguar. Selanjutnya Noval Firmansyah.
Apakah suara saya terdengar?
Sudah.
Terdengar.
Hello everyone. I want to tell you about my internship experience. When I was in school, I got the opportunity to do a 3-month internship at a company. I did an internship there with 3 of my friends. On the first day, I was briefed by an employee from the company. He told me what my duties were. During my internship, I gained a lot of knowledge from how to rewinding, how to repair electric motors and generators. During my internship, I am very happy because I get new knowledge and get to know new people. During those 3 months, I gained a lot of experience and lesson that I can take. One of which is having to be innovative, never give up, and disciplined in the world of work, which is very much needed. That's the story of my experience during my internship. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Nopal Firmansyah. Selanjutnya Satria Ramadan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satria Ramadan Fajar. I will present my experience in the senior high school One Jasem. At senior high school in grade 10, I follow extracurricular art and culture. And also I've been a part in a drama show as a character. This drama is a final semester assignment that must be performed by the class. And I also took part in the release ceremony. In grade 11, I became a part of representative representing the school at the Culture Arts Festival held in Lembang. Thank you for attention.
Terima kasih Satria Ramadan Fajar. Selanjutnya Randy Pramudia.
Sebelumnya apa suara saya terdengar?
Sudah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Randy Pramudia. I will tell you about my experience during the long school holiday last year with me New Year. My friend and I went to vacation to the peak area in Bogor, West Java. Puncak Bogor is one of the best tourist sites in my opinion, where the atmosphere is very cold and very nice, and listen to many trees and many deserts. No wonder many people also visit there as if it coincides with school holiday, or if that such Saturday and Sunday it must connect there. My friend and stayed at the peak of Bogor for 2 days. I played to some of the beautiful lakes and the weather. That night, connecting with me, New Year, my friend and I burned corn chicken and told story about our connected. And I turned out that my people were doing well, waiting for the New Year. Basically, there was beautiful experience well in the Bogor area for 2 days. Since there are stress and the talks are gone. Well, text just a story of my personal experience during the long school holiday yesterday. Thank you.
Terima kasih Randy Pramudia. Selanjutnya Gali Ali Partanto.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Galela Pertanto. I will tell you about my experience. This happened before the implementation of PKKMB Unsika 2021. My grandfather in my village asked my parents to go home because it had been 1 year that he had not been able to meet them. Therefore, my parents prepared to go home, but I said not to come along because of PKKMB Unsika 2021. Because even though the event was held online, it would be difficult to participate in the event if I was in the village. Because of that, my parents went to their parents' home without me, so I was alone at home for a few days during PKKMB Unsika 2021. While I was left alone at home, I felt troubled because I had to attend the event and also take care of the house at the same time. I also had to be on cam during the event, which made me have to stay in one place during the event. But even under this circumstance, I was still able to follow the event well. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Gali Tanto. Selanjutnya adalah Sandi Ramadan.
Yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Sandi Ramadan. So today I will tell you about my holiday experience. During the 8 holidays, my family and I returned to my parents' hometown and visit my brother's place, starting with me going to Lampung, where there is a place for my mother's relative. We stayed there for about 2 days, and every day we were there, namely staying in touch with the relative there. After spending 2 days there, then we continued to my mother's hometown in Boyolali, where we were there for approximately 3 days, and as long as we were there, we started to stay in touch to see quite beautiful place. Soon we were there to continue our journey to my father's hometown in Ngawi. There we stay for about 3 days. There we also start from staying in touch, visiting the grave of grandparents and playing with my brothers. Maybe that's all I can tell you from my holiday experience during Eid. Thank you for your attention.
Terima kasih Sandi. Selanjutnya Sepada.
Jadi bentar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sepada Wijaksana. I will tell you about my experience. Last weekend was my day off. I'm not going anywhere. I just spend time at home and play with friends. I feel today it is an ordinary day like any other day, but being able to play with friends is enough to make me happy. As you know, I wake up in the morning and doing my daily activity. Until night, I am going to hang out with my friend. There was a friend of mine asking for a random chat, so make me it's a love all of them. Nah, it is one of the worst experience is my have, even if just a vacation at home, at least it can refresh the mind because friends can entertain, so make happy. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Sepada Wijaksana. Selanjutnya adalah Puspitasari.
Hello everyone, my name is Dela. I will tell you about my experience. This is my holiday. During my 2 weeks of school and New Year holidays, I didn't visit tourist attraction or go on vacation somewhere. During the holidays, all I do just wait at home or go around Malaka, Rotan, and Payutundi with my friend riding a motorcycle in the afternoon. When the peak of the New Year, I only burn at home until 2 a.m. What I burn is fish, corn, and others. The next day, right on January 1st, because of heavy rain which flooded Jakarta overnight, causing my house to flood and the water came into my house. So I finally had to help my parents clean the house. Every Saturday, I help my mother to iron clothes, and on my ordinary day, I like to help my mom do homework, but sometimes I also watch television with my family. All I do is eat, sleep, and play. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Dela. Selanjutnya adalah Lukman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutfi Lukman Fatah. Let me tell you about my past experience. A few years ago, I went to Pari Island with my friends. The location of the island is in the Seribu Island, Regency, Jakarta. The trip took about 2 hours from the port of Muara Angke to Pari Island. When we got there, we took a short break at the homestay. After a break, we went straight to the middle of the sea to do snorkeling. The water is very clear, and lots of fish and other marine animals. We returned to the island in the afternoon. Besides snorkeling, we also toured the island, used bicycle, play on the beach, and ate grilled fish together. We went home after 2 days there. And that's the story of my past experience. Thank you.
Terima kasih Lutfi Lukman. Selanjutnya adalah Naufal Akmal.
Okay, hello everyone. I want to tell you about my experience at senior high school. In senior high school, I took futsal extracurriculars and became chairman. Continue to participate in tournaments in various cities. The lessons I learned were that I could understand various characters of futsal player from the other school. I could manage my time better. I was more disciplined. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Naufal Akmal. Selanjutnya Furkon Nurdianto.
Tell you about my experience preparing for SBMPTN 2021 in April. I studied math, physics, chemistry, and other subjects to get the maximum score. At that time, I chose the location of the exam on the 17th of April. After doing the test to the maximum, I and get satisfactory result pass at the University Singapura Bangsa of Karawang, majoring in electrical engineering. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Furkon Nurdianto. Selanjutnya adalah Jikri Hanafi.
Hello everyone, my name is Zikri Hanafi and I want to tell my experience about first time climbing the mountain. 3 years ago, I was invited by my uncle to climb the mountain. Mount Papandayan is the first time mountain I climbed. The peak of this mountain is at an altitude of 2,665 meters above sea level. Perfect for beginner climber like me because it has a climbing path that is quick, easy, and not too long, but still draining energy because of the cold temperature. The hike began with a very beautiful view. We walk on the stair made of the steep rock. The smell of sulfur smells pungent. There are several points of smoke coming out of the crater. Each step will be present with a beautiful view, but there are small pieces of garbage left by other climbers. Long story short, we arrived at the top of Mount Papandayan. The peak of this mountain is so beautiful because it's decorated with the largest Edelweiss flower field in Asia. Edelweiss usually comes after the rain season ends, so the sun shines more intensely, more or less in April to September. But when we stopped, it was in July. Not many Edelweiss flower could be seen, but that's okay because this is enough to satisfy your curiosity. On your return journey, we took a route through the dead forest. Although it's look right, but this is a unique place. If you climb a mountain, never leave the crash you broke because the mountain is not a trash can. It was my experience climbing a mountain, and thank you.
Terima kasih Jikri Hanafi. Selanjutnya adalah Habib Abdurrahman.
Sebelumnya, apakah suara saya terdengar? Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raffi Fadlur Rahman. Let me tell you about my past experience. So a couple time ago, my friends and I were playing football in front of the house. First, it was really fun until I kicked the ball too strong. So the ball led me to the window and broke the window. When we want to escape, all of a sudden we all heard a loud voice. After that, the owner of the house came out. He yelled at us. We are very afraid of her, but we don't know what to do. Then one of my friends told us to run. We are run as fast as her as we can. I think that's all about my past experience. Thank you.
Terima kasih Raffi Fadlur Rahman. Sekian.
Hello everyone, my name is Martiano. Let me tell you all about my experience. The time I went to Bandung with my friend, I went by car. When I arrived, I set up a tent and prepared cooking utensils for cook. After the night, I made a bonfire and prepared sausage and corn for grilling. Lessons I learned at the time were how to survive and be loyal to friends. Thank you.
Terima kasih Pak Markiano. Selanjutnya adalah Marita. Jadi persilakan pada Marita. Halo, Arita.
Oh iya, maaf sinyal saya jelek. Oke. Good morning everyone. My name is Michael Arista. Now I want to tell my experience study tour in senior high school to Yogyakarta. In February 2020 at 3 p.m., we went to Yogyakarta from my school in Bogor. I estimate the trip from my school in Bogor to Yogyakarta is 12 hours. After I arrive in Yogyakarta, I go straight to hotel to take a sleep and a break. After I sleep, I went to Keraton Yogyakarta, went to Malioboro traditional market to shop some souvenirs, went to Breksi Cliff and many else I visit in Yogyakarta. That was long holiday and exciting. Thank you.
Terima kasih pada Marita dan semuanya. Sudah semua kan? Halo. Yes. Sudah semua kan?
Ada yang belum nggak?
Ada yang belum nggak? Ya, sudah ya.
Udah kayaknya belum.
Kayaknya udah semua.
Artinya Kang.
Artinya sudah, Kang? Artinya sudah semua.
Sekian pertemuan pada minggu ini, tanggal 6 Oktober 2021. Hanya ada satu orang yang izin nggak hadir, yaitu Fajar Nurwansyah. Terima kasih semuanya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih Kang.